Hey, dude, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Hey, he's coming up, guys. Hey, bring the stun back. Stun back. Stay on the ground. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Hey, get back up. Back up. Drop the knife. Drop the knife, bro. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Give me your hands. Back up. Hands up. Hands on your back.
I'm back. I'm back. Put your hands on your back.
Give me your other hand. Give me your hands. Your other hand.
Bag, white shirt, blue pants, pink shoes.
Ready?
Keep going. Keep going.
Every countdown right up to 10. Shots fired. We're going to be right up.
Put the gun down right now. Put that gun down. Put the gun down. Put the gun on the ground. Put the gun down. He's got a gun. Put the gun down. Put the fucking gun down, bro. Hey, you're going to get shot. You're going to get shot. Drop that shit. Drop it. Drop it. Drop the fucking gun. Drop it. Get on the ground. Drop the gun. Drop it. The thing is, if he comes out. Running! Like, boost! Hit! 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 Hit!
Give us a little warning. I think we're going to hear it.
Run it. Go. All right.
Hit him.
Not drop the gun. Instead, she pointed it at the sergeant and the responding officers coming through the door. The sergeant then used his duty pistol to shoot the woman to stop her from being a threat to the officers and the innocent man still inside the lobby.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Once the woman was shot, she fell to the ground and dropped the gun. The responding officers immediately rushed to secure her, secure the gun, rescue the innocent man, and begin rendering aid to the woman.
Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put it down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put it down! Put the gun down! Put it down! Put the gun down!
Five 20.
110. Shots fired. Suspects down.
Put it down. Get out. Put it
Stay on the ground! Stay on the ground! Sit down. Roll over. Roll over.
Do me a favor, man. You're going to go talk to her really quick. Nope. You're going to let go of her and go talk to her really quick. Stop. I will hurt you. Stop. Let go now. Let go now.
Let go. Let go.
You're about to get tased. Stop the knife! What, at gunpoint?
Howard, who was armed with a knife, attempted to take the female victim hostage, and when less lethal force didn't work, officers fired several shots towards the suspect.
Throw the knife away! Throw the knife away!
Here's another angle of what took place before officers shot towards Howard.
Hey, stop. What's going on, man?
Let go now.
Stop.
Let go now.
Let go. Let go.
You're about to get tased.
Stop.
Once the female victim was moved away safely, officers moved in and secured the weapon and Howard. It was then that officers started providing life.
Yo!
Drop that shit! Drop that shit!
Don't shoot me! Shoot me! Get him! Get him!
Taser! Get on the fucking ground! Roll over! You're gonna get tased again!
God damn it.
Roll over!
He stabbed me.
Roll the fuck over!
Fucking stabbed me.
Roll over! You're gonna get tased again!
Yeah. Your little ass bitch, nigga. I'm killing myself.
Roll over!
I'm killing myself. I'm killing myself. Need more cars on Broadway. I'm killing myself. God damn it.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Fucking knife!
Kill me. Kill me.
We need cars, radio! Broadway Lydell!
Get on your fucking stomach! Get on your stomach now! Get on your stomach!
Kill me, I'm dying. I'm dying, kill me, please.
You got a med bag in your car?
Quiero hablar contigo de lo que está pasando hoy.
¿Pero qué pasó?
Eso es lo que quiero hablar contigo. ¿Qué está pasando?
Pues, ¿de qué o qué?
Por eso quiero hablar contigo. ¿Qué pasó?
¿De qué o qué?
Ven para acá. Vamos a hablar para acá.
¿Pero por qué o qué?
Vamos a hablar para acá.
¿Pero yo qué hice, pues?
Tú dime a mí, ¿qué hiciste?
No, usted dígame a mí.
¿Tú qué hiciste?
¿Cómo yo qué hice? Yo nada. ¿Qué hice de qué?
Listen.
¿De qué hice de qué?
De lo que pasó.
¿De qué? ¿De qué hice de qué?
Quédate para allá, quédate allá. Vamos para acá.
¿Qué hice yo?
Pero eso quiero hablar contigo.
Por eso dime qué. ¿Qué hice yo?
Baja eso. Bájalo. No digas que lo bajo.
No me estés apuntando.
Te estoy,
te puedo dar, ¿eh?
hey.
No me estés apuntando.
Baja eso.
Que no me estés apuntando.
She's
Quítate
on with the
madre.
axe.
¿Te voy a tirar entonces o qué?
Como tú quieras.
Behind your back, do it now, not you. Put your hands behind your back, now. Show me your hands. Show me your hands, now. Show me your other hand. Show me your right hand. Show me your other hand, now. Stop. Stop walking towards me. Show me your hand. Show me your other hand. Stop. 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 Stop walking towards me! Stop walking towards me! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Fine.
One Baker, shots fired. One Baker, shots fired. Get down on the ground! Man! Lay down on the ground, flat! Lay down flat! Lay down on the ground, flat! Lay flat on the ground. Lay flat down on the ground now. Lay down flat on the ground. Lay down flat now. One Baker.
Manuel, stop. 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 Gun, gun, gun! Take cover, take cover.
Yeah.
No!
Oh, good. Let me see your hand. All right. Well, let's move in. I got. Okay, good.
I am good.
All right, let's move in. Got it. I got lethal coverage.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and start getting work on this guy. Do not move.
I am hands.
Do not move.
Do not reach for anything, okay? I'm telling you, do not reach. Okay?
Okay, so what's up?
Okay, I'm telling you,
What's going down though after you talk though? I want to know that.
we're gonna figure out where we're at. And if you haven't done anything wrong, which is great, you'll be on your way. Okay?
Here to play my game.
Okay.
Cause we ain't going nowhere.
Okay. So at this point, here's what we're gonna do,
What we gonna do?
right?
Because if we down, let's go out here. Let's show
No.
Let's show what. Let's do it, nigga.
Oh, cover.
You want to do it? Let's go.
Go, head. Hey, gun.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground! Now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Leslie, get on the ground! Now!
This is not what we want to do.
What are you doing?
We don't want to do that.
All right, we do not want to hurt you, okay?
Why I got to get on the ground? Why? I didn't do nothing.
Keon, get on the ground. Tase him, tase him.
Cover.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Nope.
Stop it.
Hey, lethal, Jake.
Yeah. Alright. HQ, Foxtrot 356, got one suspect with GSW. Start rescue 1068.